let's quickly go over how to change the air filter in your 3rd gen Tacoma. I'll go ahead and open it up. Now I have the TRD air box, but yours will act the exact same way. Just release the 2 latches and open up the air box, and you should see the air filter. Now you can't tell if it's clean or dirty from here because this is the engine side. So you're going to want to slide the air filter out, take a look and see how gross it is. If it's a paper filter, slap a new one in. If it's a K&N like this, we're going to have to clean it. All right, after you clean up your air filter, simply slide it into place. Slide the little tabs into the holes. And lock it down. Hopefully you guys found that useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.